This 3-step routine is all about removing buildup from hard water and product, restoring lost hydration and protecting your strands from breakage.
Hi, I'm Helen Reavey, certified trichologist and hairstylist for over 20 years.
When the hair feels coated, weighed down, crunchy, or just won't hold a style, this is the system I use to start fresh and bring it back to life. Start with the clarifying treatment. It breaks down mineral buildup from hard water. You know that chalky feeling, that stiffness, the brassiness, all of it. Mix the powder with a little water in your hands until you get a creamy paste. Then massage it into wet scalp and hair. Let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes, then rinse. Incorporate this into your routine once a week and you'll start to notice the difference within just 2 washes. This powder to paste treatment goes deeper than shampoo alone. It dissolves hard water minerals and refreshes the hair from root to tip. It's your deep clean without stripping. Follow with the shampoo. This helps rinse away anything the treatment lifted and gives the scalp and hair a deeper clean without stripping moisture. On wet hair, apply 2 pumps directly to the scalp, starting at the nape of the neck and working towards the hairline. Shampoo twice for optimal results and rinse thoroughly. It's powerful enough to reset the scalp but gentle enough to use daily, making it ideal for oily scalps that need regular care without overstripping. Finish with the conditioning hair mask. This step restores hydration and helps protect against breakage. It's extremely hydrating but still light enough for daily use if you need it. Apply to mid-lengths and ends and leave it on for a few minutes. It softens, smooths and strengthens so your hair feels strong and hydrated. When used consistently, this trio will help reset your hair and scalp without ever stripping it.